Hey y'all, so what are we working on today? Well, this is a 2005 Ford Focus. This little car has been able to keep this thing running forever. However, what's not running right now is the AC. It needs to be recharged. And you can do it yourself. I've done it myself with the kits that you buy at the parts store or at Walmart or just about anywhere. But what you won't find under the hood here is your low pressure valve. That is not the right one. Yeah, your low pressure valve to hook up the little gauge to, and that valve sits down under all of this. So what you have to do is take the wheel off. Mine's sitting right there. And then you have to take the fender liner out. To take the fender liner out, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll have a number of these fasteners. There is one on the bottom side of this that comes up through there. Don't forget that one. It's easy to overlook. There's also another fastener here which is different, so you're going to need a 7mm socket for that. And then there is one here. The one here is this, and that is a T40. It's a Torx head 40. So if you don't have a T40, run to Harbor Freight. You can get a little set of Torx bits for, I don't know, $2 or $3, $4, something. They're not much. And it includes a T40 as the largest. So you're going to take all those out. The fender liner comes right out. Mine's sitting right there. And then inside here, right there, is your valve for your low pressure side. So at that point, you're just going to follow the directions on your kit that you bought. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Follow the instructions on there. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a regular guy who happens to know a little about a lot. And this I've done before, so I know where to look. And if you're looking, that's where you find it. All right, y'all. I'm going to finish this up. I'm out of here.